Hello everyone. Today in this video we'll be talking about one of the feature which we have added into our application, that is block orders from being shipped using Amazon Logistics. So taking an instance for the example, this feature can be used when anyone of our customers wants to use any other logistics except Amazon Logistics for the fulfillment of the orders. So talking about block orders from being using Amazon Logistics, the drop down shows three major things like yes, no, and must use Amazon Logistics for Shopify own orders only. That means, in case if anyone wants to block orders from being shipped to Amazon Logistics, he can choose yes. And if in case he wants to continue using Amazon Logistics for all the orders, he can choose no. But in case if you have orders which are coming from any other integration like Walmart, Etsy, etc., and in that instance, if you do not want to use Amazon Logistics further, so in that scenario, you can must use Amazon Logistics for Shopify own orders only. That means the Amazon Logistics will be applicable for the orders only that comes from the Shopify store. So this is how this functionality works in blocking the orders from shipping using Amazon Logistics. So this is all about this meeting. Thanks for watching.